Every motorcycle tells a story, but some machines carry history in their very bones. And when a legendary name returns after decades, you know it is more than just a release, it is a resurrection. Welcome back to Speed Society, where today we explore a motorcycle that blends wartime legacy with modern engineering in a way no one expected. The 2026 Harley Davidson WLA isn't just a model, it is a tribute reborn, a machine built for riders who value authenticity but demand modern performance. This is the moment where heritage meets the future, and the WLA stands at that crossroads with confidence. The legacy of the 2026 Harley Davidson WLA. The original Harley Davidson WLA is woven deeply into motorcycle history. Known as the Liberator, it became the backbone of military mobility during World War II, earning a reputation for durability, simplicity, and unwavering reliability. Bringing the WLA name back in 2026 is more than a nostalgic move. It is Harley's effort to honor the spirit of resilience while reintroducing a model that shaped the identity of the brand. This new WLA is not a replica, it is a modern interpretation that respects the original's purpose while elevating it with contemporary innovation. It carries the legacy forward for a new generation of riders who understand the weight of history and the value of reinvention. Design and aesthetic. The 2026 WLA is crafted to evoke classic military charm with a refined modern edge. Harley keeps the silhouette simple and purposeful, just like the original wartime model, but sharpens every detail with premium materials and updated proportions. The bike features a matte military green option, exposed frame elements, a compact fender design, and a rugged upright stance that instantly communicates strength. The round LED headlamp retains a vintage flavor while delivering razor-sharp illumination. The tank design is minimal, the seat is slim yet comfortable, and the entire motorcycle feels honest, functional, and unmistakably inspired by its wartime ancestor. Harley has achieved a perfect balance of nostalgia and modern craftsmanship, creating a design that feels iconic yet contemporary. Engine and performance. Beneath its classic exterior lies a thoroughly modern heart. The 2026 WLA is powered by Harley's updated 1,250 cubic centimeters Revolution Max engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and everyday usability. It offers quick acceleration, steady power across the rev range, and a refined exhaust note that pays homage to Harley's traditional rumble while sounding cleaner and more composed. The bike is built for riders who want strong performance without unnecessary complexity. Highway cruising feels effortless, and city riding remains responsive thanks to the engine's balanced tuning. It may wear the name of a wartime hero, but the 2026 WLA performs like a modern, dependable companion ready for any terrain. Technology and features. Even though it celebrates heritage, the new WLA does not fall behind in technology. A compact digital display provides essential information in a clean layout. Multiple ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and refined electronic safety systems ensure stability in a range of conditions. Bluetooth connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation are integrated seamlessly, keeping the interface simple yet smart. Harley intentionally avoids overwhelming the bike with excessive tech, maintaining a purposeful approach that aligns with the WLA's historic roots. The technology serves the ride without overshadowing the soul of the motorcycle. Handling and comfort. Harley built the WLA with everyday usability and comfort in mind. The mid-control ergonomics, upright handlebars, and balanced seat height create a natural riding posture that suits long journeys and daily commutes alike. The lightweight chassis and improved suspension allow the bike to handle city bumps and rural roads with equal confidence. Whether gliding through traffic or cruising open highways, the WLA remains stable, planted, and easy to control. The suspension is tuned to absorb imperfections while keeping the handling responsive and predictable. It offers the classic Harley feel but with modern smoothness that enhances rider confidence. Riding experience. The riding experience of the 2026 WLA is where its charm truly shines. The throttle response is refined and intuitive, making the bike feel both powerful and approachable. The sound carries a nostalgic tone, but the performance reflects Harley's newest engineering standards. It is a motorcycle that encourages relaxed exploration, yet it has enough punch to satisfy riders who enjoy spirited riding when the road opens up. The WLA feels timeless in its simplicity but thoroughly modern in its execution. Riding it creates a sense of connection to history, yet the bike never feels outdated or limited. It brings back the emotional character of classic motorcycling while delivering the reliability and strength expected in 2026. Upgrades. Harley offers a wide range of customization options for the WLA, allowing riders to shape its personality. Accessories include luggage racks inspired by military carriers, upgraded leather seat options, protective crash bars, fog light kits, and matte finish detailing packages. Performance upgrades such as enhanced exhaust systems, adjustable suspension, and ergonomic handlebar sets are also available. The WLA is built to be personalized, staying true to the spirit of the original machines that were often adapted for different missions and environments. Who is this for? The 2026 Harley Davidson WLA is perfect for riders who appreciate heritage but want modern comfort and capability. It appeals to enthusiasts drawn to classic aesthetics, military history, and the simplicity of older machines, yet do not want to compromise on performance or safety. This bike suits daily commuters, weekend cruisers, vintage motorcycle fans, and anyone searching for a motorcycle with genuine character. It is made for riders who want a machine that tells a story every time they climb onto it. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Harley Davidson WLA is expected to launch with a starting price of around $14,500, making it a competitively priced entry into Harley's heritage-inspired lineup. With customization packages and higher spec trims, the price may reach up to $17,000. Availability will begin in mid-2026 for North America, followed by global distribution toward the end of the year. Harley aims to position the WLA as an accessible motorcycle with premium historical appeal. Final thoughts. The 2026 Harley Davidson WLA is more than a revival, it is a respectful reimagining of a motorcycle that helped define an era. It blends the rugged charm of the original with the engineering excellence of the modern age, offering riders an experience rich in history yet perfectly suited for today's roads. For those who want a motorcycle that stands apart with authenticity, character, and purpose, the WLA delivers a compelling and emotionally powerful package. This is a tribute done right, and Harley has brought the past into the future with admirable precision.